Texas is famous for its big lifestyle and wide open spaces. But did you know you can find beautiful, modern homes here for under $300,000? In this video, we'll look at 5 stunning options that combine style, comfort, and affordability. Our first stop takes us to a family-friendly neighborhood in Houston. This single-story modern home welcomes you with clean lines, a brick and stucco exterior, and a neatly landscaped front yard. Inside, you'll find an open-concept living area with tall ceilings and plenty of natural light. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a center island perfect for family gatherings. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, this home offers both space and practicality. Priced at $289,000, it's a wonderful option for families who want suburban comfort without breaking the bank. Next, we head north to Dallas for a contemporary gem. From the curb, this 2-story home makes a statement with its sleek modern facade, dark trim windows, and welcoming entryway. Step inside, and you're greeted by an open living room with hardwood floors, perfect for cozy evenings. The chef's kitchen includes quartz countertops, a walk-in pantry, and a breakfast nook that overlooks the backyard. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master suite with a walk-in closet and spa-like bathroom. The fenced backyard offers a private retreat for summer barbecues. All of this is available for just $295,000, showing that modern elegance doesn't always come with a luxury price tag. Our third home takes us to the vibrant city of Austin. Known for its eco-conscious culture, this house fits right in with sustainable features and smart design. The exterior showcases a blend of wood paneling and modern siding, giving it a stylish yet natural look. Inside, the open floor plan connects the living, dining, and kitchen area seamlessly. The kitchen comes equipped with energy-efficient appliances, while large windows allow plenty of natural light. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home also includes a private backyard designed for outdoor living, complete with a shaded patio. With a price tag of just under $300,000, it's perfect for anyone who values both sustainability and comfort. Our fourth stop is in historic San Antonio, where Spanish-inspired architecture meets affordability. This charming single-story home greets you with a red tile roof, arched entryways, and warm stucco walls. Inside, the living room features rustic wooden beams, tile flooring, and a fireplace centerpiece that adds character. The kitchen has granite counters, handcrafted cabinets, and a breakfast bar that opens to the dining area. With 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it offers ample space for a family. The backyard includes a covered patio, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. Listed at $285,000, this home combines classic Texas character with modern convenience, making it a standout choice. Finally, we visit Fort Worth for a family-friendly 2-story property that balances charm and practicality. The exterior showcases traditional brickwork with white-trimmed windows, giving it timeless curb appeal. Inside, the main level features a spacious living room, a dining area, and a well-designed kitchen with custom cabinetry. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms provide plenty of space for kids, guests, or a home office. The master suite includes a walk-in closet and a modern bathroom with dual sinks. A fenced backyard and attached garage complete the package. At just $279,000, this home proves that in Fort Worth, affordability and family living go hand in hand. So, which home was your favorite? Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more.